Okay, good morning, all of you. Aibuwan. Okay, this is the motion types of machine lesson. Ne? Hare. Then today is the second day of the our lesson. Then here, guys, with me, there's a special instrument. What this part? Who is this person? Who is this person? Hare. Orana. Who is this person? Then now, then you can note it. That's electric motor. Then you can find out using a name. Then here they mention as the motor. Guys. And I am adding a special word for the left side. We are calling as a electric motor. The reason is Buddha. In grade 13 there is a lesson calling fluid machine. That lesson we are discussing about the hydraulic motors and pneumatic motors. Don't think about that. That I have different types of motors. Okay. Okay, then we will do that part with the that fluid machine lesson. Okay. Now, guys, then this is an electric motor, no? Yes. What's the energy conversion in the Buddha electric motor? What's the energy conversion? People who are with the online, please send the answer to chat. What's the energy conversion in the electric motor? What's the energy conversion? Yes, electrical energy to the mechanical energy, no? Then in the last session we discussed about four types of motion types. What are the motion types, Uda? Yes, linear motion, circular rotary motion, then oscillating and reciprocating. Ne? What's the motion type he will output? Rotative motion. Ne? Then here, guys, you can note that. Give the power from here, and there's a switch. And guys, then across the switch, put the power is moved to the which part? Electric motor. Okay, guys, if I switch on this motor, what happens? Now here, I'm switch on. I switch on this motor. Okay, it means that after switch on this motor, what happening? Then here there's a chuck part. That chuck part is rotating. With the chuck part, put I connect some drill bit. If you need to make a hole, Puttai, we can use this bench drill part and this hole a vertical hole. Then if you consider about the last session we discussed about what's the function of the normal hand drill. No? If you're using a hand drill, Puttai, we can make a hole using any angle. But horizontally pull on either pull on. But Puttai, using here, guys, we can make a only holding. If I locate the workpiece for here, workpiece ka method locate kala Puttai, we can make a hole like this. Clear? Okay, like that way, guys. Then using this bend drill putty, we can make a vertical holes only. Okay, clear, boys? Yes. Now it means Puta, this is some machine, ne? Yes. Now today our lesson is Puta. Then here this is the motor, ne? And here the main motor ke Puta may there should be some output shaft, ne? Yes, shaft should be here. But Pute, then we are rotating for this location. Yes, then it means Puta, we generate the power. Then we produce the mechanical energy in a one location. But we need the mechanical energy for another location. Then what we done? Then we have to transport that rotative motion for generation location to required location. No? That process we are calling as a power transmission. You guys, okay? Then today our lesson is Pute. What's the lesson? Today our lesson is Puta mechanical power transmission. It means Puta the requirement. What's the requirement of the power transmission, Puta? The requirement of the power transmission means okay, we generate the electric energy in we generate the mechanical energy in one location. But Pute, we require the rotative motion in another location. We have transmit the generate location to the which location? Required location. That process we are calling as a power transmission. Okay, here guys now then here there is some power transmission technique they used. Now then did you note that there's a belt at here no? Methana puthe belt එකක් තියෙනවනේ ඔයාලට පේනවද? Yes. Okay, at here boys. Now I am going to remove that belt. Right, belt එක අයින් කරනවා. හරි. Now I am going to switch on that electric motor. Yes. Now the electric motor is working. May this pulley is rotating no. මේ pulley එක පුතේ මෙතන rotate වෙනවා. මේ I am going to switch off this one. මේ ඔයාලට පේන්නේ මේ මේක off වුණා කියලා මේ. Is rotating no? Yes. The motor is rotating. But the thing is the chuck is not rotating no. Then here guys we need to transfer that mechanical energy from generated, and this is the shaft of the electric motor. මෙතන පුතේ shaft එක තියෙනවා. Output shaft. Okay. Then here guys the shaft is rotating no. Yes. Electric motor function is functioning. He converting the electric energy to the mechanical energy. But the thing is පුතේ our function is not performing no. මොකද්ද අපේ function එක? We have to rotate that drill bit no for drilling process. The thing is පුතා we have to transmit that rotating motion from generated location to required location. We can use for this one. This is a belt. Then here now I am going to locate a belt. This is the way how I am going to locate there are some different ways for locating the belt. මෙයාගේ පුතා මෙන්න මේ there are we are calling as a this one we are calling as a pulley. පුලියක් කියලා අපි කියන්නේ. හරි? කෙලි නෙමෙයි. හරි pulley. හරිද guys? Hard. Then here we can connect the belt using different ratios. I will tell about in future lessons. It means with the future, don't think about that. Then I can locate that belt using different method. But ඔන්න මෙයා පල්ලෙහාට දාන්න පුළුවන් ඊළඟ සෙට් එක කට් එකට දාන්න පුළුවන් මෙහෙම. මේ කලින් මෙතන හිටියේ. එයා දැම්මුත් පුතේ මෙතන we have to locate that belt to here. මෙතන දාන්න පුළුවන්. And we can locate that belt to the lower part for connecting. Then එහෙම දැම්මුත් මෙයා මෙහෙම or it should be horizontally. We can't connect the bell like this way, in the angular way. Angular way mean මෙයා මෙහෙම අපි connect කරලා බෑ. It is difficult to transmit the power. We can transmit but there are some more errors. මෙහෙම transmit කරන්න බෑ using angle we can't. Clear the මෙන්න මෙහෙම transmit කරන්න බෑ හොඳේ. Okay. හරි guys. Then there's a design. Design එකක් තියෙනවා. Then now I locate the belt no. මේ belt එක මම locate කරා නේද? Yes guys, I locate the belt. Now after locating the belt, I need to rotate this chuck part ni. මේ chuck එක rotate කරන්න එපැනේ. Now I am going to switch on them. Previously පුතා that chuck part is not rotating no. Here guys. Okay, now I am going to switch on here. I am going to switch on here. What happening? Now guys, this chuck part is rotating, no? Hey guys, what's happening? Then we generate the rotative motion in this location. We need the rotative motion at this location. Now we transfer that rotative motion from generator to which location? Required location. Clear that process we are calling as a power transmission. Clear okay. Then before moving to lesson, firstly, there is a location for write the definition for the power transmission process. Hurry. There is a location for your definition for the power transmission. Okay, write down the definition. Definition mean we are only giving some idea. Idea එකක් විතරයි දෙන්නේ. Okay, note down. Transferring energy from the place where is generated to the place where it's generated to place perform works is known as mechanical power transmission. Hari. Now what are the types we can use for transfer the energy from one location to another? And here we explain one thing, no? What inside here? Belt drive, ne? What are the another things? Did you not attend? ඒ කියන්නේ power එක අපි generate කරන එක තැනක use කරන්නේ තව තැනක. Then we have to transfer the energy from generated location to required location, no? We are calling as a power transmission, ne? Yes, yes. Hari, what are the another methods we can use for transmit the power from one location to another? Huh? What are the another methods? Sorry? Sorry? There I have some shaft, ne? Yes, shaft තියෙනවා. Then තවනක් තියෙනවා. What are the another method? Then I'm going to share some video. Before moving to video, Puta, can you tell me? Hare, mema. Now this is the foot cycle. Bicycle or bike. Then here this is the frame එක කියලා අපි අර කියනවනේ. මේක මෙතනට එන්නේ. ආවනේ තියෙන්නේ. හරි කමන්නේ. There is a handle, there is a seat. Then what's the function of this bicycle, Puta? What's your name? Ocean. Okay. Ocean. Then what's the use of the bicycle? Yes, single word, transportation. Yes, so we can transport the goods and how the transport can using vehicle. Peoples, yeah. Are they? Yes. Now guys, for transport the peoples or goods. මිනිස්සු වෙන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ බඩු වෙන්න පුළුවන් බඩු කියන්නේ මේ ගුණ අපි තන්නේ පමණද හරි goods වෙන්න පුළුවන් හරිද guys then for transport that thing we have to rotate these wheels no මෙන්න මේ wheel ටික අපි rotate කරන්න ඕනේ නේද guys yes we have to rotate that wheels නේ හරි now then we can give more power using your hands or your legs ලොකු power එකක් දෙන්න පුළුවන් handle leg who are going to gym කවුද gym එකට යන්නේ කවුද gym එකට යන කොල්ලෝ යනවනේ යම්මක් යන්නේද අයියෝ යාළුවා යනවනේ who is going to gym කවුද gym එකට යන්නේ ඔය මම පේනවනේ කවුද gym එකට යන්නේ going good හෙසඳු යනවලු තව හරි then guys අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් වැඩි weight එකක් අපිට hold කරන්න පුළුවන් use ඔයා සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අර hands වල දාන weight එක කීයද 15 kilograms for leg press 40 40 50 වගේ නෝනේ it means that we can give more power using our legs no එහෙනම් බං අපි then however guys මේ wheels automatic rotate and we have to rotate no for rotate but can you rotate using your mouth උලා කරවා බෑන්නේ and you have to use a hands or leg නේ කල්කුල් වලින් හරි අත් වලින් හරි තමයි බං අපිට මේ rotative motion එක input කරන්න පුළුවන් නේ clearද හරි එහෙනම් බං අපි ලොකු power එකක් දෙන්න පුළුවන් using foot no එහෙනම් බං අපි normally some persons පුතේ wheelchair තියෙන අර wheelchair එකේ වටේට අර wheel එකක් තියෙන්නේ they can rotate your own way නේ එයාටම rotate කරන්න පුළුවන් නේද wheelchair වල රෝදේ එළියෙන් තියෙන rim එකක් වලල්ලක් වගේ it's like a ring then ඒ කියන්නේ මම අපිට hand power එක දෙන්න බෑ යාගේ leg නැති හින්දානේ මම hand වලින් power එක දෙන්නේ it means that in the bicycle we are giving the power using our legs why we can input more power using the legs කකුල් වලින් අපි ලොකු power එකක් අපිට input කරන්න පුළුවන් නේ නේද guys හරි okay now guys the next thing is එහෙනම් බං අපි මේක rotate කරන්නේ කකුලෙන් නේ then what's a suitable location for give the rotating motion අපි දැන් මෙහෙම ඉන්න ගමු පුතා මෙහෙම rotate කරන්න පුළුවන්ද බෑන්නේ guys. බෑන්නේ. Then what's the suitable location for input the rotating motion? The middle location. අපි හිතමු හෙසඳු පුතා ඉන්නවනේ. ජිම් එකට බයිසිකල් එකකින් යන්නේ කොල්ලද ගැම්මට හොඳේ. හරිද? Yes. කොල්ල ජිම් එකට බයිසිකල් එක යන this is හෙසඳු. Then he is rotating. මෙතන rotate කරන්න බෑනේ. මෙහෙම rotate කරන්න බෑ නේද guys? හරිද? Then this is a location we can input the rotative motion. And the thing is පුතා, then we are input the rotative motion in this location. හරිද? But පුතේ we need which location? අපි පුතේ මෙහෙම location එකකට තියාසේ paddle no. We are rotating that paddle නේ. පුතේ we need to rotate this wheel නේ. Then what we done පුතා? මොකක්ද අපි කරන්නේ? Then we input the rotative motion from one location. We need using another location no. We have transferred that rotative motion from generated location to required location. You guys, what the method we are using? Yes, chain ne. Abhi chain එකක් use කරනව නේද? නේද guys? We are using chain. We are using a chain. Clear guys? Then in the scooter they are using then this is a boot cycle no. අපේ හිසඳු පුටා අරගනේ. හරි. Then guys in the bike are using the normally chain but the scooter they are using some belt නේ. ඔය දැකලා තියෙන සමහරක් කට්ටිය scooters පදන කට්ටිය repair කරලා තියෙන්නේ. The belt like with some cogs. මේ belt එක පුතේ අර cogs තියෙන belt එකක් තමයි scooter එකේ තියෙන්නේ. ඔය cogs ටික කැන්නම තමයි අර ට්‍රාස් කාලා ඇදෙන්නේ නිකන් අදින්නේ නැහැ belt එක damage වුණාට පස්සේ. I will take. Okay. Hi guys. Then this is the way how to transmit the then it means Buddha for transfer the energy from one location to another we can use the chain drive also. Now I am going to share some video. Yes. Hurry. Now guys, what this one? Got me? What this? No, this is a bus. I'm bus එකක් කියලා කියනවා. හරිද? Anyway. හරි guys, then anyway. අවා හිතන්න මේක බස් එකක් කියලා imagine කරන්නකෝ. The reason is with your family the bus no. බස් එකක් තව ගොඩක් family එන්නේ ගොඩක් වෙලාට. හරිද? හරි. එතකොට then there's an engine. Engine එකක් තියෙනවානේ. What's the energy conversion in the engine for the thing? Last session we done what's happening inside of the engine. Who absent for the last session? Who absent? For the last session like absent? People who absent for the any session puta you have to watch the recording before coming to the second session නේ. අනිවාර්යෙන් කලින් sessions miss වුණා නම් අනිවාර්යෙන් මේ දැන් යන lessons ටික පුතේ අනිවාර්යෙන් දැන් any lesson හරි මම miss වුණා නම් the website is available for watch the recordings හරිද? අර website එක available ඒ හින්දා පුතේ class miss වුණා අනිවාර්යෙන් recordings බලලා එන්න හොඳේ. Some lessons are independent. සමහර lessons පුතේ if consider පුතේ ET අද lesson එකට සමහරක් ඒවා last week session important. Some lessons පුතේ independent. සමහරක් අවුලක් නැහැ but පුතේ if consider some like some practical things no for do some practical part පුතේ then we have to adjust our mechanical our some theoretical part no then we have to discuss some theory part then after that we are doing some practicals we are doing some papers all the things we are doing no then you know in this lesson we are doing the lessons the practicals no the papers නේ lesson එක අපි papers එක්කම යන්නේ වැඩේ නේ ඒ හින්දා මේ කොට දාගන්න කොහොම හරි වැඩේ අදගෙන යන්න ඕන. Yes, then inside of the engine what happening is Puta, it converting the chemical energy into the mechanical energy. It means Puta, he can output the rotating motion. But the thing is Puta, consider this is a bus. Bus can give one reason a kicker. Then here guys, then if you need to transport the buses, normally Puta, the bus, the front wheels are moving freely. Used for the direction in the vehicles, for the steering system. But for the rear wheels we use for input the rotative motion to the road part. Clear? To the road. It means Puta, we generate the rotative motion from front of the vehicle, but we need to rotate the wheels at the rear side. Clear? The rear side එක තමයි rotate කරන්න ඕන. Clear? We need to rotate the rear wheels. What we do guys? We generate the rotative motion from one location. We need the rotative motion in the which location? in the another location. Clear? That process we are calling as a power transfer. Here guys, if the vehicle is moving, the shaft is rotate on here guys. Yes, shaft also moving. In Ipimuda, we can use a shaft drive also. Then here, okay, then we got another example. And guys, then if we need to brake the vehicle, what we done? Our vehicle like brake allanona mokadda karanne? Then if the vehicle is moving, what's the energy type that person have? Vehicle එකක් move වෙනවා නම් එයාට තියෙන energy එක මොකද්ද? Yes, kinetic energy. What the equation to find out the kinetic energy? Yes, half into mv squared, no? Neither. There's a mass. Both mass for the bicycle and the Hesandu, and there is a velocity, ne? Then you know there is an energy law, ne? Energy එක අපිට කෙලින්ම expose කරන්න පුළුවන් ද බෑනේ. Where then here if we need to convert that energy level 0, we have to convert that energy type to the no. In if the vehicle is moving, that person have the mechanical kinetic energy, no? We have to convert the 0 into the kinetic energy. අපි හිතන සාමාන්‍ය අපේ vehicle එකේ brake ගන්න බැරුණා. bike එකක් high speed යනවා. It has a more kinetic energy, no? කෙලින්ම කොහේ හරි ගිහලා හැප්පෙන මොකද්ද පුතේ වෙන්නේ? light කණුව damage නැත්නම් bike එකද? bike එකනේ. Why guys? The light කණුවට පුතේ ලොකු strength එකක් ලොකු energy එකක් යාට තියෙනවද පුතේ? එහෙනම් එයාව damage වෙනවද? එයා damage වෙන්නේ නැහැ. පුතේ අර vehicle එකේ strength එක අඩුයි අපේ strength එක අඩුයි. අපි තමයි පුතේ අපි damage වල that energy is releasing. energy කොහොම release වෙන්නේ බෑ පුතේ. ඒට අදාළ crash වල තමයි vehicle එක crash වල තමයි that energy convert to 0. energy එක 0 වලට convert වෙන්නේ crash වල. clear ද? Hi guys, එතකොට then here how we are converting that kinetic energy into 0. කොහොමද අපි ආවේ 0 කරන්නේ? Yes, then what's the energy type we are exiting? Yes, what's the energy type? What's the energy type? Yes, using a friction. අපි මෙයාගේ බං energy එක 0 කරන්නේ මොකක් විදිහටද? Friction එක විදිහට. How we apply the friction? For apply some friction, we need some connect to some surface, no? Yes. Then what we done is we apply some brake pad for here. Brake pad කොහෙද අපි locate කරන්නේ? මෙන්න මේ side එකට. Okay. Then after apply some force, what happening? Pads surfaces are connecting. Friction is applying. It mean vehicle can stop. Clear? හැබැයි පුතේ දැන් අපිට vehicle එක නවත්තන්න ඕන කියලා එසඳු ඔය යන ගමන් මෙහෙම කරනවද? නෑනේ. එහෙම කරන්නේ මොකද කරන්නේ? Yes, you are giving the some energy to the lever, no? මෙන්න මෙතන පුතා lever එකක් තියෙනවා. lever එකනේ energy එක දෙන්නේ. ඉතින් කොහොමද බං දැන් මෙතනනේ බං අපිට we need the energy. But we input the energy for this location. What we done guys? Then using cable, no? හරිද? මෙතන cable එකකින් නේද පුතේ මේ power එක transmit වෙන්නේ? Yes, no. Not for here. මෙන්න මෙහෙන් අපි කියමු cable එකක් මෙන්න මෙහෙම දාලා තිනවා. මේ රෝදෙ දිගේ නැහැ හොඳේ. හරිද? Let's brake pad that here. It means that we can use the you can use the cable for the power transmission. Clear? And the last method puthia we are calling as gear wheel transmission. Gear wheel. Harada? Gear wheel transmission mean puta here. Then did you know about then I share some video. Inside of the then here no maybe I will tell what are the functions of the engine. There is a clutch, there is a gearbox, there is a proper shaft, there is a final drive, differential, drive shaft, drive axles, then drive wheels. ඒ වගේ part ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. එක ලොකුට හිතන්න බෑ. there is a gearbox. පුතේ අපිට gearbox එකෙන් මොකක්ද කරන්න පුළුවන්? We can change the speed according to requirement of the vehicle නේ. We සාමාන්‍යයෙන් if the vehicle is stopped for move the vehicle, we need to give more energy නේ. අපි හිතන vehicle එකක් නවත්තලා නම් තියෙන්නේ for move that vehicle, we have to give more energy no. ලොකු energy එකක් input කරනවා. නේද guys? වට අපි vehicle එකේ speed එකට ගත්තට පස්සේ පොතේ අර පොඩි තල්ලුව කියන්න පුළුවන් නේ. නිකන් අපි තල්ලු කර කර වාහනේ යනවනේ. නේද පුතේ? ඉතින් here guys for on a flat surface එක යනවා. කන්දක වගේ යනවා. We have to give more energy no. I thought normally මෙහෙම flat surface එක යනට වඩා පුතා කන්දක ඇද ලොකු energy එකක් වා දෙන්න ඕනේ නේද? Like that vehicle. Then according to the requirement of the road condition or our requirement puthe, we have to change the speed and torque of the drive wheels. For that we have to use the gear wheels. I will tell how to gear wheels are working. Hari මම කියන්නම් gear wheels වැඩ කරන විදිය. Then here inside of this gearbox there have more gear wheels, no? Then here guys, then if the vehicle is at the then this is the way, yes wait, the vehicle is run at wait a moment, Hare. So the vehicle is run at some gear. So the banana then here then we can use some different types of teeth count. For change in teeth count we can take out the different types of speed. අපි බලමු gear wheels වල මොකක්ද වෙන්නේ කියලා. Here guys we input the rotative motion for this location. We can take out. Then there is a shaft connect some gear wheels. Then we are take out from another location. No? It means by using a gear wheel also we can transfer the energy from one location to energy another location guys. This is the way how it's happening. Here I am going to connect some gear wheel. Gear wheel එකක් මෙහෙම දෙන්න. These are the teeth. I am going to connect another gear wheel for another location. Hare. I am going to impart the rotative motion for like this. Now teeth is moving. අර මේ teeth එක පුතේ මෙන්න මෙහෙම යනකොට මෙයාගේ teeth එකත් තල්ලු කරන්න පල්ලයට යන්නේ. These teeth are connect together no. මේ teeth එක මෙන්න මෙහෙම connect වෙලානේ බන් තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට මෙයා පුතේ පල්ලයට move වෙනවා කියන්නේ connect it and give us some push like this. We input the rotative motion for this location. We can take out the rotative motion from another location. Clear the we are calling as a which process? Power transmission. Clear the we input output. Then using a gear drive also we can use the gear drive for the power transmission. Now guys again we are coming to tute again. Okay, now yes, types of mechanical power transmission. Note down: belt drive, note down, belt drive, then chain drive, then shaft slash cable drive, last one gear wheel drive. gear drive කිව්වත් අවුලක් නැහැ. Okay, now guys I am going to talk about the then now very what the first topic puta belt drive no. Now I am going to talk about the belt drive system. Okay, today our topic is puta belt drive system. Clear the harida. Now this is an example for the belt drive system ni. Yes, I am going to give some name and some other features also පොඩි scene ටිකක් මම කතා කරන්න. Okay, now this is the location we input the rotative motion. Okay, and this is the location we need to take out the rotative motion. There I have two locations no. And for connecting the belt they need some pulleys no. නේද guys? මෙතන pulley ඕන නේද? Yes, pulley එකක් අපිට ඕන. හරි, we need some pulley. Hurry. And why? But in the belt drive system, they use the friction. Why we are calling as a friction using? Then now here guys, if I apply some mema apitamuko. Now what's happening inside of this system is මේ වගේ system එකක වෙන scene එක තමයි look here. I'm going to tell about more. Wait a moment. Hari. Now Puta, here then I am going to then here from here I am going to we are going to transmit the rotating motion from one location to another. Hari. Hari. Now from here now this is the location we are going to input the rotating motion. I am going to tell how the power transmission process is happening. Now I am going to input the rotating motion manually. Now this is the location I am going to input. Otherwise, now there's a belt. Yes, look at here. Then there's a pulley. There's some gap for locate the belt part. Gap belt locate. Now look at here how it's connecting. Now the belt has how many faces, Puta? The belt have how many faces? Here have one face, 2, 3, 4 faces. No, here connecting how many faces? So belt ke puthe faces kiya ke connect karada? They are connecting 3 faces. Ne, me face ke vidara ne connect karne natte. Irme puthe faces are connecting mean they are using the friction. They are connecting using temporary. Fixed ne me puthe are temporary thamai connect karala thiyenne. Hari guys, etakota now look at this my point. Mene metana man point එක consider කරනවා. I am going to rotate one rotation in this pulley. I am starting from here and this is a belt location. After rotating one rotation thing, in here there is a circumference length. Consider this circumference length is 21 centimeter. Yes, 21 centimeter. Okay. Here guys, then after rotating, thinking is not happening in slip. Slip එක කුන් නැහැ කියමුකෝ. After rotating a one cycle, what's the linear length it's moving? මෙයාගේ circumference length එක 21 cm නම් after rotating one cycle, what's the linear length he transfer the rotating motion? 21 cm. Think this pulley have 7 cm circumference length. After coming the 21 centimeters, how many rotations happening? දැන් මෙයාගේ පුතේ හිතන්න දැන් මෙන්න මේ වගේ length එකක් එනවා කියලා මම කිව්වන්නේ. Now guys look at here. ඔන්න මෙන්න මේ length එක මේ length එක නෙන්නේ. Yes. Now here connecting on one rotation. Okay, then 2 rotations, then like a 3 rotations, no? Yeah, guys, it's happening some 3 rotations. Clear the? It means Puta here they are using some surface connection, no? Yeah, guys, surface connection. That surface connection we are calling as a friction. For creating the friction, the surface area is very, very important. Also, now I am going to change the location we locate the pulleys. පොඩ්ඩක් තැන මාරු කරනවා. Get here. හරි. Now I am going to input the rotating motion. Look at here boys. Now I am going to input the rotating motion from here. මෙතනින් rotating motion input කරනවා. Now I am rotating this pulley. But pulley that belt is not rotating. No. Yeah, guys, why? What's the reason? There's very less tension. But pulley मैं वो tension कराए कि मोहन दटा. If I tension this one, tension करो पुल्ली में what happening? That side is rotating. No. Clear that? If I correct the tension, what happening? If I rotate this end, other end is rotating. But if I then අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් මේක load එකක් connected කියමුයි. If I input the rotating motion for here, what happening? අර පැත්ත rotate වෙනවද? නෑ guys. Is rotating? No. Rotate වෙනවද? Rotate වෙන්නේ නෑ. Clear? But පුතේ if we correct the tension, now what's happening? That side pulley is rotated. It means that for power transmission using belt drive, what are the two important factors? Friction, yes, friction and the tension. Friction and tension are important. Then here guys, then I told you, we can't use some like another method. The reason is then they are setting these pulley for changing the speed and torque. According to requirement, then මෙහෙම parallel දාන්න කියලා කියන්නේ අයියේ. නැත්නම් tension is changing no. හරියට power එක transmit වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Clear? That's why they are telling පුතේ then ඒගොල්ලෝ අර මෙහෙම උඩ මේකට දැම්මොත් there's a larger pulley නේ. There's a small pulley. So it's okay. They are using only one belt නේ for all the pulley connections. Pulley connection, how many pulley connections there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then according to the pulley connection, they noted what the speed we can take out. The speed දෙමත් මෙතන දාලා තියෙන ඒගොල්ලෝ. හරිද? I will tell what's happening. හරිද guys? අපි හිතමු දැන් if not happening the properly friction පුතා it happens some like a slip නේ. නේද guys? Anyway, it means that these are the main parts of the belt drive system. There is the pulley for input the rotating motion. There's another pulley for take out the rotating motion, and there should be belt. And here there is no tension pulley. Tension pulley can have but some mechanism. You know, inside of the vehicle we are using some timing belt. No, the timing belt there are some like adjuster. Podi adjuster reacting for adjust the tension of the pulley. ඒක අපිට මෙහෙම අර පොඩි adjuster එකක් තියෙන මෙහෙම tension කරන්න පුළුවන්. අර timing chain එකෙත් එහෙම adjuster එකක් තියෙනවා. හරි. That's adjuster. Clear? Okay. හරිද? හරි. Now guys we are going to draw the part of the belt drive system. Okay. These are the parts today. There's a location for input the rotating motion. There's another location for output the rotating motion. Hurry. Then for connecting these two persons, there is a belt locating, and there is another pulley for create the adjust the tension of that one. Tension එක අතර පුතේ මොකක්ද තියෙන්නේ? තව pulley එකක් තියෙනවා. හරිද? There's another pulley. Those are the parts of the belt drive system. දැන් මම මේ pulleys ටික පුතා 3D යන්නේ නැහැ හොඳේ. හරිද? Then for pulley we can call as a wheel. Wheel එක කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන් අපිට. හරිද? Here this is the belt. There I have some different types of belt. I will teach about that thing. Here driver wheel, also you can call as a pulley. Then driven wheel we are calling as a pulley, and this is a tension wheel ne. Clear the හරිද? Then I will tell why you are calling as a driver and driven. මේ වෙන්නේ බං අපි සාමාන්‍ය vehicle එකක් drive කරනවා කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? steering wheel එක rotating motion එක input කරන එක නේද? If I rotate the steering wheel පුතා is rotating the wheels නේ. අපි අහිනම් පුතේ input එක තමයි driving side එක. driver කියන්නේ driver කියන්නේ ඒකයි ඈ. ඒ මතක තියාගන්න දරා two words නේ. ඔය දෙක පැටලෙන්න පුළුවන් නේ. there should be method. අපි සාමාන්‍ය drive කරන කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? drive කරනවා කියන්නේ for rotate the steering wheel no. එතකොට එහෙම කළාද driven වෙන්නේ wheels නේ. ඒ වගේ තමයි ඈ. The input side we are calling as a driver, the output side we are calling as a driven. Okay, note down this diagram. The tube they draw in the side ලිය. Tube එකේ side එකෙන් ඇඳලා තියෙන්නේ. Okay, මේ වේ තියෙන 3D 3D ඇඳලා තියෙන එක. For some idea. Then here we need to take the idea out the what are the parts of this drive system. Part ටික විතරයි මෙතන අපිට ඕන. හරිද? Now we are going to classify the belts. And before moving to that one, what are the instance we use in the belt drive system? කොයිද පුතේ belt drive ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැකලා තියෙන්නේ? කොයිද? What are the examples? Yes, pen drill. Then all the persons. Tell the answer. Yes, scooter. Then sorry. That's a chain. That's not a belt. Let's say. Hurry, belt type එකක් තියෙනවා. හරිය. Yes. ඒ තියෙන chainsaw එකේ නේ excavator chain එකක් තියෙන්නේ. Then what are the other examples? Swing machine. Yes, good. Then also in the last session we discussed, then we share some special machine. මතක නැද්ද මම last week එකේ මම machine එකක් share කරා? මේක මතක නැද්ද? This machine මතකද? Here guys there is some belt drive no? Belt තියෙනවා shaft තියෙනවනේ මෙයාගේ මේ. They are using some belt drive මේ. Belt තියෙනවා මේකේ. share කරනවා මේක නේ. නේද? Yes, they are using some belt drive system. Then තව කොහෙද දැකලා තියෙන්නේ? And here there are some wood saw machine. ඔය ලී කපන machine එකක් මම set කරනවා පුතේ. Here also there is some belt නේ. මෙන්න මේකේ belt තියෙනව නේද? and මම ඔයා දැකලා තියෙනවා lamp master එකේ තියෙනව නේද? Tractors වල. Oh, in the vehicle there is some timing belt. It means the inside of the engine also there is a timing belt නේ. And there are some alternating belt, water pump belt, just say compressor belt. ඒ වගේ belt system ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. I am going to share some video. And the timing belt, then you know the last session we discussed, no? If the vehicle is a 4-stroke engine, what's the speed ratio between crankshaft and camshaft? 2 to 1, ne? මතකද කතා කරා 2 to 1. Then that ratio is created as a T belt. The belt with the cogs. But here these belts are without cogs. Clear? Yes, today now after that I am going to explain that thing. ඊළඟට explain කරන්න යන ඔන්න ඔක part එක. හරිද guys? ඊළඟට explain කරන්න යන මේ part එක. Anyway, I am going to share another video. Mevan boys, in the vehicle this is a timing chain guys. Then my vehicle have the then this is the crankshaft ne. Top fan have the camshaft no. That's a timing chain. In the my vehicle have the timing belt. It will change with the vehicle type. Then ඔපේ bicycle 3 wheelers ගත්තට පස්සේ Vitz car එක ගත්තට පස්සේ timing chain එකක්. But most of the car van වල තියෙන T belt එකක් තියෙනවා. That's a packing. The vehicle. Yes, here. This is the water pump. Look at here. How those water pumps are working. It means මේ ඒ තිබ්බ එක මෙයා වගේ නේද? This is water pump. and that's I think compressor, and there is alternator for charge the battery, and all the things drive using a belt. That belt is without cogs. ඒවලු සමහර කරපුවද belt different belt use කරනවා. Alternator වෙනම belt එකක්. කොහොම හරි පුතේ they are taking the rotation of the crankshaft. Crankshaft එකෙන් තමයි rotating motion එක ගන්න. මෙහෙම නිවා. Then we are take out the power using crankshaft no. And we are use that power for rotate the wheels. We are use that power for control the other spokes in the vehicles, and they use that power for rotate the camshaft, and here for rotate the alternator, water pump, oil pump. They are using the engine power ne. Engine එකේ power එක මත මතන use කරන්න. Clear? Okay? Clear there? That's why what's happening. Harada, now we are going to talk about the different types of belt. Okay, before moving to that one, put note down the examples. ඔගොල්ලෝ belt කොහෙද දැකලා තියෙන කියලා example ටිකක් දාගන්න. I explain application of the belt drive. Application of the belt drive. Okay guys, now we are going to talk about the different types of belts. Okay, hari examples to okay. What are the examples, Puta? What are the examples? Engine, scooter, then tractor, then swing machine, then there's a shaping machine. I share some video. That machine we are calling as a shaping machine. Okay, what are the other machines? What are the other machines? Huh? Yes, bench drill. Yes, normal drill කියන්නේ පා. The normal drill they are not using the power transmission technique. කෙලින්ම drill එකේ පුතේ sharp මේ using a motor, chuck is rotating, drill bit is rotating no. නේද? කෙලින්ම rotate වෙනවනේ. But පුතේ here they are transmit. හරිද? මෙතන පුතේ transmission එකක් වෙනවා මෙතන. හරිද? මෙතන transmission එකක් වෙනවා. හරි. Clearද? Now guys, we are going to classify the belts. Belts used in the belt trap. Okay. Hare. Hare. Belt. Now guys, yes. Then what's the main difference between these two belts? Puta. Me belt the main different thing. No, don't think about the length. Don't think about the width. The shape mean the nature for connecting the pulley. Here they are connect with some flat surface. May are connecting with a flat surface. And guys, here this belt is connected with this in the this like a teeth. Clear the may are connecting with the teeth. May are connecting using a teeth. That's a nature. Those are the main two types. But can you tell me, then here, this is a oil pump used in the vehicle. මේ දින පුතේ මගේ vehicle එකකින් අර අයින් කරපු oil pump එක. හරිද? And here the belt is with cogs නේ. Cogs තියෙන belt එකක් නේ මේක අනිවාර්යෙන් ඇත්තනේ. And here පුතා, can you tell me, this is a water pump. I will tell what the function of the water pump and the oil pump. හරිද? That water pump is rotated using the pulley part no. Water pump එක පුතේ කනෙක්ට් කරන මෙයත් එක්ක නේද? Can tell me පුතා that surface with the cogs or without cog? Without cog නේ. Then what are the instance we use පුතා? Can you tell me පුතා? Then you know there's a timing is then you know there's a speed ratio between the crankshaft and camshaft. Am I correct? මේ crankshaft එකේ camshaft එකේ speed ratio එකක් available or not? Yes or no? Yes නේ. Then that's about the last session නේ. That's about the last session. That's about the last session නේ. Then you know here. Then you know we have to maintain some speed ratio between the crankshaft and camshaft no. The last session we done then here guys yes, what is speed ratio? 2 to 1. I explain. Then puta, if we need to maintain some constant speed ratio, we have to use a belt drive system without slip ne. අපි හිතමු here guys, this is some drive system no. Can you tell me if I rotate some length, so actually rotate that length? ඇත්තටම පුතේ අර පැත්ත rotate වෙනවද? දැන් මම මෙන්න මේකේ මේ side එකම rotate කරනවා. අර පැත්ත පුතා rotate වෙන්නේ නැති වෙන slip වෙන්න පුළුවන් නේද? Why we are going to slip? Then it means පුතා how it power transmission is happening here. අපි හිතමු like this way. This is some drive system. Make a drive system එකක් නේද? නේද? Here we are going to input the rotating motion. That side is rotating. Now it's rotating. දැන් මේ වෙලාවේ බං මෙයා rotate වෙනවනේ. Now it's rotating. Yes. මෙයා මෙතන rotate වෙනවා මේ. Then guys, then මෙයා rotate වෙනවනේ. Then here guys, from this way we are going to put the rotating motion. We need to rotate this pulley part, this wheel. Me now it's rotating no. But පුතා here rotate like this. What happening? The මේ පැත්ත rotate වෙනවා, මේ side rotate වෙන්නේ නැහැ නේ. It means it's happening some slip. If happening some slip, can we maintain some constant speed ratio? Can't guys. If we need to maintain some constant speed ratio, we have to use a belt with the cox. But speed ratio is not important now. Efficiency is mostly important. We have to use a flat belt. Okay, this belt also flat surface, no? The pulley is a flat surface. But for the here, look at here. Then this is the water pump in the vehicle. මේ තින පුතේ මගේ vehicle එකකින් අයින් කරු මොකද්ද? water pump එක. Clearද? This is the water pump. This is a water pump. Alright guys, then you know inside of the then here thing guys in the morning time මොනවා දුදේ පාන්දර මම vehicle එක engine එක start කරානේ. The temperature is around the room temperature. Temperature room temperature යන්නේ. හරිද? හරි. එතකොට මේ yes. Now temperature is 30 around. The best temperature for happening full burn is around 80 or 90. That temperature we are calling as a working temperature. Then we have to maintain the engine at the working temperature. The reason is for happening a full burn there should be some temperature. Okay, after coming that temperature, the inside of the engine, the power producing process is happening continuously. No? Yes, then okay when ඇතුලේ heat එක produce වෙනවනේ. Then countries with දිගටම heat නු මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? The metal part got expand, it can be seized no. Expand වල හිර වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Then what you do is පුතා අර 80 90 වලට පස්සේ පුතේ produce වෙන heat එක තියෙනවනේ. We have to exit that heat. For that we are using a water pump. Here this is the location for locating the water pump. මෙන්න මෙතන තමයි පුතේ අපි water pump එක locate කරන්නේ. හරිද? Then here the process of the water pump is පුතා මෙහෙමයි වෙන්නේ. We are input some coolant inside of the engine. Then we absorb the heat. The coolant is coming from radiator. He will exit the heat. Clear? Here, guys. Then, then you know, from the well to the water tank, there is a water pump. That water pump is rotated using electric motor. But here, this is a pump part. For rotate that pump, we are using the engine power. Engine power එක තමයි ගන්නෙ. Clear? හරි. එතකොට පුතේ ඕකේ ඔය speed ratio එක ලොකුවට import නැහැනේ guys නේ. Speed ratio ලොකුවට import නැහැ. තේරුණාද? Speed ratio ලොකුවට import නැහැ. But the thing is පුතා, the oil pressure is very important and this is the oil pump. Then you know to the inside of the engine we apply some lubricant නේ. නේද guys? We apply some lubricant. neda guys? Then you know then we are doing some vehicle oil change also. Vehicle එකේ oil change එහෙමත් කරනවා. හරිද? Then after input the oil guys, oil is going to which part? Oil sump නේ. Sump එකට යනවන්නේ. Oil ටික sump එකට යනවා. Then the oil is flow from sump to front side. then මෙහෙම rotation එක ගහනවන්නේ. Clear the rotation එකක් යන්න ඕන පුතේ. It's happening automatically. නෑ we have to use a pump. This is the pump part පුතේ. It's like a gear type pump and that gear type pump we are calling as the internal gear type. මේකට මම අපි කියන internal gear type කියලා. Then but and this is the pump used in my vehicle. මම engine එකේ අර engine එක bore කරා. එතකොට මේ ඔක්කොම pump, water pump, oil pump ඔක්කොම replace කරනවා. Just it got some wear part. මේ මෙතන පොඩි gap එකක් තියෙනවනේ. මේ gap එකකින් හින්දා පුතේ pressure එක අඩු වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Oil pressure is very important. The reason is පුතේ each and every point we have to it should be flow the oil නේ. Very small line for flow. If there is a pressure drop පුතේ drop එකක් වුණොත් oil එක flow වෙනවද? Flow වෙන්නේ නැහැ නේ. Lubrication process is not happening. Got a metal then why we apply some lubricant to the engine for the lubricating. Here guys inside of the engine have metal part no. If the metal parts are work with the touch what happening it will heating. Expansion locking. හිරවුණොත් අවුල් බං මේ engine එක continuously work කරන්න එපානේ. What do I do is පුතේ we have to stop the blocking නේ. Block වෙන එක නතර කරන්න ඕන. එහෙනම් පුතේ expand වෙන එක නතර කරන්න ඕනේ නේද? How we stop this expanding? work කරන අතර හරියන්නේ නැහැ නේ. What we done is we are supply some oil layer between the middle part. එතකොට work කරනවා touch වෙනවද? නෑ guys. Without touching it's working. එතකොට heating no, expanding no, seizing no guys. Clear the and that's the reason පුතේ after some time period සාමාන්‍ය 5000 වගේ after 5000 kilometers පුතා we are replace the oil no. අපි oil line කරනව නේද? That's the reason නේ. හරිද? හරි guys. Now මෙහෙම එන්නේ. Here guys then thing from here I am going to input the rotating motion. Look at here boys. මේ පැත්ත බලන්න පොඩ්ඩක්. මෙන්න මේ side බලන්න. It's not happening slip නේ. මම මෙහෙ පොඩ්ඩක් rotate කරොත් අර side rotate වෙනව නේද guys? Yes or no? It's not slipping. මෙයා කොහෙත්ම slip වෙනවද? නෑ. It's like a chain drive. නේ අර chain එකක අර cog එකයි teeth එක connect වෙනවා වගේ මේක connect වෙලා තින්නේ. If we need to import the speed ratio, very important පුතේ, we have to use a belt with some cogs. Clear the but පුතේ also guys then here using a timing belt we are rotating the oil pump. If the vehicle is a diesel pump also working. The vehicle then here the crankshaft and camshaft also connect with the this belt. ඒ දෙක connect කරන්නත් ඒකෙන් පුතේ ඒ හින්දා මෙයා මෙහෙම අර නැබිලා එහෙම රැලි ගහලා තියෙන ගණන් ගන්න එපා. It's working anyway. And other parts of the engine the alternator, compressor, water pump part and other side. ඔය T belt එක තියෙන පැත්ත නෙමෙයි ඒ set එක තියෙන්නේ පුතේ මේ here guys මේ. And this is the power transmission side no. මේ power transmission side එක පුතා engine එකේ. and other side එක තමයි පුතේ මොනවද belt ටික තියෙන්නේ. ඔය T belt එක පොඩ්ඩක් ඇතුලෙන් තියෙන්නේ. අනිත් belt එක තියෙන පුතා මොනවෙන්ද එළියේ. T belt is with the packing. T belt එකේ තියෙන packing එකක් එක්ක. මේ transmission side එකෙන් අපිට belt rotate කරන්න බෑනේ. Then if consider the engine, there are four sides of the engine. There is a one side for the intake side, one side for the exhaust side, one side for the transmission, other side for the belt drives, belt or chain. Mainly පුතේ belt drive T belt is locating after that පුතේ outside තමයි alternator belt ඒව ටික locate වෙන්නේ. Clear the that's a side නේ. Okay. Hari, those are very important for taking something practically. Yeah? Then I am going to share some image for take more idea about the side of the engines. මේ බලන්න මේ engine එක. Amazing. Here guys, this is some diesel engine නේ. මේ තියෙන ඔය diesel engine එක මම කියපු කතාව දැන් කියන්නම්. හරි. Then here this is මේ තියෙන පුතේ අර engine room එකනේ. මේ radiator side එක. මේක තමයි මේ engine එක. හරිද guys? හරි. Now after that පුතාලා and මේ පැත්ත තමයි බං intake side එක. And here guys, this is a power steering pump and this is a diesel pump. Diesel pump එකේ පුතේ මේ තියෙන this is the T belt packing. මේ පැත්ත තමයි පුතේ T belt එක තියෙන්නේ. T belt එකට එළියෙන් තමයි අනිත් pulley set එක තියෙන්නේ. and මේ තියෙන engine එකේ intake side එක and this is the exhaust side and this is the transmission side. අර මේක බං front wheel drive එකක් ගන්නේ front wheel එනකොට අපි automobile කතා කරනවා. මෙහෙම තියලා there is a clutch, gearbox මෙතන කෙලින්ම wheels එකකට දෙනවා. hari දැන් අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් the front side of the engine is පුතා the T belt side. මේක තමයි front එක මේකේ. හරිද? and two sides and this is the transmission side. If the engine is පුතා like a rear drive vehicle අර අපි කතා කරේ කාර් එක වගේ. දැන් මේකේ scene එක බන් තියෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේක කතන්දරය. simple කතන්දරය. take some idea. පොඩි idea එකක් ගන්න. කොහොම? ඔව් sorry, thank you. හරිද? Now there I have two types of vehicles නේ. one type of the vehicle is front wheel drive vehicles. Front wheel පුතේ කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Engine is located at front. We are transmit the rotating motion of the front wheels. Some vehicles පුතේ rear wheel drive vehicles නේ. සමහර පුතේ වාහන rear wheel නේද? Engine is located here. We have transmit the rotating motion from here. if you see from top මේක top එකෙන් පුතේ බලද්දී අපිට ලොකු length එකක් නෑනේ. ඒ හින්දා මම අපිට මේකේ engine එක මෙහෙම තියලා clutch gearbox මෙහෙම තියලා මෙහෙම මෙහෙම ආයිත් එන්න බැහැ නේ බං. ඒ හින්දා engine එක අර side එක කරවලා තියෙන්නේ. if you see from top මේක top එකෙන් බැලුවොත් එහේ මොකද්ද කියලා තියෙන්නේ. and මේක top එකෙන් this is the location if you see from top of the vehicle top එකෙන් බලමුකෝ vehicle එකේ top එකෙන් බලද්දී engine එකේ පුතේ front එක කොහෙද මේ side එක. හරි මේ තමයි rear side එක intake and exhaust. exhaust පැත්තට පුතේ ඉස්සරහට දාන්නේ නැහැ අයියේ. අර එහෙම නොත් මේ heat එකට radiator සාමාන්‍ය cooling system තමයි අර පැත්ත radiator පැත්තට එන්නේ. if you see from top of the bus මේ top එකෙන් and we can locate the engine like this way. hey bang we have more length no? එහෙනම් engine එක මෙහෙම තියෙනවා then clutch then gearbox එන පුතේ this is the front side of the rear wheel drive vehicle engine. මේ පැත්ත rear one side intake one side exhaust. clear ද මේ වගේ length එකක් අපිට මේ වල යන්න පුළුවන්ද බෑ guys why you have to import the rotatory version for here නේ ඒ හින්දා පුතා මේ engine එක අර side එක තියලා තියෙනවා. clear ද වාගාව අනිවාර්යෙන් ගෙදර වෙහි it's not about the car and three wheel it's about some sorry this is not about the bike and three wheel car van වල ඔය වගේ scene එකක් තමයි තියෙන්නේ some idea දැන්ට පොඩ්ඩක් නිකන් engine bonnet එක උස්සලා පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න මොනවද තියෙන කැලටි කියලා. this is a mechanical lesson no. හරි anyway guys now we are going to talk about the type of the belt එක අපි mechanical lessons සංග ඕන lesson එකක් නම් මට කතා කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් වැඩි අවුල් නේ ඉතින් තාමනේ. ඉන්න we will start the automatic lesson. හරි now we are going to divide the belt into main two types. හරිද what are the type පුතා cogged belt and the flat belt. හරිද flat belt පුතේ again we can divide the flat belt into main four types. මේ cog නෙමෙයි පුතේ මේ cogless belt cog belt එකයි cogless belt එකයි sorry cog belt and the cogged less belt. හරිද one type is පුතේ flat belt then V belt then T belt the last belt type is circular belt. So round belt කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන්. round belt. Clear? Those are the different types of belt we use. Clear? And we are going to know roughly how the connections are happening. If the belt is then පුතේ මෙන්න මෙතන අපි පොඩ roughly දාගන්නවා images ටිකක්. හරිද පුතා look at here if the belt is a flat belt එක පුතේ flat කියමුකෝ pulley also පුතා flat pulley එක පුතේ flat යන්නේ මෙහෙමනේ ඒ ඇවිල්ලා මෙන්න මේ වගේ don't think about this surface if the belt is a flat belt the pulley also should be flat නේ අනිවාර්යෙන් එකත් එක පුතේ connect වෙන්න එපානේ yes now here this what's the type of this belt පුතා මට කියන්න මෙයා මොකද්ද this shape like the V no why we are calling as a V yes a length මෙහෙම length එකක් තියෙනවනේ මෙහෙම අඩු length එකක් තියෙනවනේ then the shape of the belt is like this way පුතා මෙයාගේ belt එකේ shape එක මෙන්න මෙහෙම තියෙනවා if the belt is like this shape pulley should be the same shape. I will tell what's we are using the B types of belt. Harida? Okay. Firstly, we are going to compare that belts. What's happening at here? think about the cross-section area of this belt. Meyake cross-section area is like this way. This is the cross-section area. No? Then the belt and poly 3D one නෑ මේක පුතේ මෙහෙම අන්තර මේක 3D තියෙන්නේ නෑ. හරිද guys? මේ belt එක මෙන්න මෙහෙම තියෙන්න ඕනේ. Clearද? It's connecting link this surface නේ. තේරුණාද? ඔහොම තියෙන්නේ නෑ ඔහොම ඇඳට. Okay? Consider this area. That's the length. And here guys, they increase the cross-section area. No? Why guys? We are using the higher cross-section area. And if consider about the V belt cross-section area is greater than the flat belt. If the cross-section area is increasing, but the friction is increasing. No? If you are going to transmit the power from using a belt, V-type belt, it has a more cross-section area. Cross-section area greater mean but the temporary connection is good or weak? Good. It will reduce the slip. Slip is good. Clear that's the main difference. Then firstly I am going to compare those types of belt very firstly with. Okay, note that these two. May they put a dagan. Note down all the classification. How the classification then I will explain one by one. Eking copy majestica kandinawa. Yes, classification. Yes. හරිද? Okay boys. හරි. I will tell about the T round and conch belt. I will tell. Before discussing that one, I am going to end this flat and V belt. හරිද? Now guys, I am going to compare these types of belt die systems. Here, I am taking the same polysize two drive systems. There's a one different. I will tell what the different. හරිද? හරි. බලන්න. Now here guys we are using a flat belt. Flat belt. Here we are using a V belt. The pulley, the shape like this one. Belt shape is like this. Belt එක මේ වගේනේ තියෙන්නේ. Yes guys. Now what happened in the cross section area? Less greater ne. And guys, if consider about the cross section area is increasing, what happened in friction is increasing ne. Friction එක වැඩි වෙනවා නේ. And here the these are the comparison man. Friction is low or high? Friction is low or high? Low ne. නේද? But here friction is high. Friction එක පුතේ high නේ. Think about පුතේ. Then what's the unit for measure the speed of some rotative part? They are calling as RPM no. නේද? අපි normally පුතේ ඔය කැරකෙන part එකක speed එක කොහමද කියන්නේ? Using a RPM. What's the meaning of the RPM? Yes, rotational per minute ne. Hariද? Thing the rotation of here is 100. Hariද? Then we can take out like a 80. What the slip puta? Slip එක 20. Hariද? But here guys, it has a more cross section area no. But the temporary connection is greater. Connection එක හොඳයි. එතකොට slip වෙනවද? It happening less than the slip නේ. එතකොට if I input the 100 rotation, we can take out like a 90 නේ. 90 වගේ ගන්න පුළුවන්. WhatsApp පුතේ slip එක කොච්චරද? Slip is like a 10. හරිද? Then here we are going to compare next point. More slip, then less slip. Slip එක පොඩ්ඩක් අඩුයි greater than the flat belt. And guys, how to find out the efficiency of the system? කොහොමද අපි මේ system එකේ efficiency එක ගන්නෙ? How to find the efficiency? Then efficiency is equal to output. Input කීයද? 100. Output is 80 no. 100% පුතා 80% no. Okay, if I input the 100 at here, we can take out how much? 80 as output and into 100% kiyada puta. Sorry. Here 90 ne. Efficiency is 90%. Puta me the slip is more mean power loss is greater. Neda puta slip එක වැඩි කියන්නේ loss එක වැඩි කියන එකේ power loss is high. Hari, then less power loss ne. Power loss is less. නැත්නම් අපි less power high power loss less power loss තමයි නැත්නම් මේ English පැටලෙනවා ටික. Then මොකද්ද ලියන්න ඕන? High power loss, then less thing. Slip mean puthe there's power loss ne. Less power loss. Puthe power loss is high mean efficiency is less. Efficiency එක අඩු වෙන පුතේ. The efficiency is ratio between the input and output. Efficiency is less, but here efficiency is high. Harada? These are the comparison between the flat belt and the V-type belt. Clear? මේ දින පුතේ මොනවල comparison එකද? Flat එකේ V එකේ comparison එක. Clear? Okay. Now there's a gap for write the note. Note එක ලියන්න gap එකක් තියෙනවා. I will complete the other lesson part. අනිත් ටික මම complete කරන්න. Now come to this comparison flat belt and V belt quickly. හරිද boys? Finish? හරිද? Okay. හරි. Now that's about the which belt different between the flat and B belt, no? Then guys, the T belt mean the belt shape is like දැන් මෙයාටත් පුතේ අපි T belt එක කියලා තමයි කියන්නේ. මෙයා තමයි timing belt එක කියන්නේ. Timing belt shortly පුතේ we are calling as a T belt. And here guys, there's a special belt like a T shape. The belt is T, pulley should be like this one. Use when නෑ ලොකුවට. And but round belt is using for the some lab processes. මට මතකයි පුතේ අපේ campus එකේ පුතේ model එකක් තියෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේ වගේ. lab වල වගේ ගොඩක් තැන්වල මේක use කරනවා. Here. This is a round belt. The last belt type is like a round belt. මේ round shape එකක් නේ තියෙන්නේ. We can't transmit the more power. ලොකු power එකක් transmit කරන්න බෑ guys. ලොකු power එකක් නම් මේකෙන් transmit කරන්න බෑ. Clear? Some like a testing equipment. අර වඩ vibration එකට මෙයා okay. මොකද මෙයා හරිද? හරි. Now here guys put the belt is round. මේක belt එක පුතේ round belt එකක් කියමුකෝ. Pulley should be like this, you know. Pulley එක මේ වගේ shape එකේ තිබ්බේ. Okay. Draw those two. මේ දෙක දාගන්න. For the T belt and round belt. Okay. Now guys, then we know the main difference between the cock belt and cockless belt. Normally puta, if consider about the any cockless belt, it happen in some slip. අනිවාර්යෙන් පුතේ හැම cockless belt එකේ මොකක්ද තියෙන්න පුළුවන්? It have the slip එකක් තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. අනිවාර්යෙන් පුතේ පොඩ්ඩක් හරි slip එක තියෙනවා. They can't change, they can't maintain the constant speed ratio. Now guys, if the belt is a cock with the cock, the wheel, the pulley should be with the cocks. මෙන්න මේ වගේ එකක් අපි අඳගත්තා නම් වැඩේ හරිය නේද guys? නේ? Okay. Clear the? Yes, okay. Normally පුතේ other belts are very low cost, but T belt එක පොඩ්ඩක් cost සාමාන්‍ය ඕක 8000 10000 වගේ වෙනවා in the Sri Lankan price. Indian Japan ගත්ත ගොඩක් අඩුයි. ඉතින් ලංකාවේ tax එක ගොඩක් වැඩිනේ. සාවය පංචේගාවත් කඩේ කට්ටපුදා more than 50% profit තියෙනවා. Each and every component more than 50. Spare part shop තියෙන්නේ ඒකනේ ඔච්චරනේ. නේද? හිතන්න අපි හිතන්නත් බෑනේ. මාර sell එකක් වෙන්නේ වැඩි. Here guys, we have to draw some line with the අමාරු වැඩේ තමයි මේ චිත්‍ර අඳින එක බං. මං චිත්‍ර නොකරෙත් ඕකයි. බුරුටට සින්දුවක් කිව්වා මියුසික් කරලා. හින්දු කියන්න බෑ. හරිද? අනේ පුතේ මෙයාගේ මෙහෙම තිබ්බ මේ there should be teeth like this. teeth එක මෙහෙම තියෙන්න ඕන. You can draw you can do it පුතා. It's okay. I know you can do it. මට බෑ මට. හරිද මේ පොඩ්ඩක් ඇඳපන් පොඩ්ඩක් කොක්කෙන්න හොඳේ. මට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ ඔක අඳින වැඩි. උඹට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ ඒව හරියන්නේ නැහැ. උඹලා දින්න ඕන හරියට. මට ඉතින් දාන්න එපා හොඳේ මන් දන්නවට පුළුවන් කියලා. හරිද? Then if the belt with the cock belt එක නම් ඇඳ ගන්න පුළුවන් shape එකේ. belt එක මෙහෙමනේ තියෙන්නේ. there are some thickness. එහෙම දෙන්න පුළුවන්. clearද? එහෙම ගන්න පුළුවන් ඒකට. okay no doubt මේක දාන්න. okay in the next session we will discuss about the past paper questions අර belt drive part එක අපි within one day කරන්න බෑ. I can do the only the lesson but ඒවට set වෙන්න මට කරන්න බෑ අතන. within one day okay then here guys we complete until here no yes factors affecting efficiency of the belt. what are the factors pata? friction of the belt, tension of the belt ne, those are the factors ne. yes friction of the belt, tension of the belt. okay tension of the belt, friction of the belt. හරි Now advantage of the disadvantage of the belt. Then next session I will do from here. Next session එකේ මම මෙන්න මෙතන කරනවා. From here until finish these calculation parts, and then we will discuss the past applications regarding that lesson part. And before ending that part, Puta, we have to discuss about the advantages and the disadvantages of the belt. So the advantages, Puta, plus advantages, Puta. Then if consider about, look at here, if consider about the chain drive system, okay, it is difficult to maintaining cost is greater. ඔය chain spoke වල පුතා chain එක spoke system එක ඔක්කොම දාන්න ඕන. But here we can replace only belt. And ඒක පුතේ replace කරන අමාරුවටද? අපි මේ belt එක කැල්ල ගියා කියලා කොහොමද කරන්නේ? කෙලිම මේ belt එක පැන්නුවා. belt එක ගෙනවා ඉතින් මේක ඉස්සුවන. මේන් පුළුවන් ද chain එක? බෑන්නේ oil නාගන ගලවගෙන පුරු ගලවගෙන නේ ඉන්නට දාගලන්න එපා නේද guys? It's easy නෑ. Not much easy. හරිද? හරි. Maintenance cost is low. දැන් cost එකත් පොඩ්ඩක් low. ඊළඟ දේ බං අපිට අර quickly වැඩේ කරගන්න පුළුවන් නේ. නේද guys? Yes. The next one. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් easy to repair. Maintenance cost is low. හරි. We can replace only belt. දැන් මේකේ පුතා belt is manufactured using rubber no. police වගේ steel. දැන් steel ගෙවනවද පුතේ belt වලට? නෑනේ. belt එක විතරක් replace කරන්න පුළුවන්. Here guys we are comparing the chain drive. Okay, note down the advantages. Can replace only the belt. 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 Easy to repair. හරිද? Maintain cost is low. Maintain cost is low. හරිද? What are the disadvantages? Efficiencies depend with the friction no. Friction is greater, efficiency is good ne. හරිද? Can we transmit the higher torque? කාන්නේ. ලොකු torque එකක් අරගෙන බෑ. Note down the disadvantages. Efficiency depend on the friction. Efficiency depend on the friction. Cannot transmit higher torque. Cannot transmit higher torque. Clear there? Okay, that's about the today's lesson. Any doubts regarding today's session, guys? Any doubts? People who are okay with yes, spikes කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන් cogs වලට. Spikes වලට වඩා cogs කියන එක හොඳයි නේද? Any doubts regarding today's session? People who are okay with today's session, please raise hand. Okay. Then guys, we are going to end the session for today. Okay, see you next week. Ayubowan.